Alright, first recording got fucked up. But, anyways, hi, my name is Sean. Welcome back to Maruka Motors. In this video, we're going to be putting on my brother's Duraflex body kit as well as painting it for a Christmas present from me. And, yeah, let's get started. You still remember all the shit we used to do? The drunken walks at 2 a.m. in high school. Slipping away before your eyes are into the night. I got it off. Almost one piece. It's not my fault. Okay, this is 2000 brittle ass plastic. Even the damn washer fluid lines went from rubber to brittle ass plastic. So we'll have to replace this and his one end. This has got to be the stupidest car that I've taken apart yet. Just on how they've done it, doesn't make any fucking sense. So to anyone of you that own this generation of Mustangs, I'm sorry. But this sucks ass. Now I'm gonna figure out how to get how these headlights come out, which I have a strange feeling that I'll end up having to take out the fucking fender, which is stupid. I guess this is it. You know, that's probably the best thing about this car is how easy the fucking headlights are to take out. Other than that, everything else is stupid. So quick update. Taillights out. Of course, the hood's off, front bumper's off. Tail lights are off, and I officially hate this car. Sorry, Anthony, but it's true. This thing fucking sucks. 2000s car manufacturer sucks because that's when they're either the 90s or the 2000s where they started hiding every little nut, bolt, and screw. God forbid someone saw that your car was held together with nuts and bolts. So, anyways, we'll keep going. Alright, car is completely sanded, except for the hood. But car is sanded, and next is going to be masking off the windows. And after that, masking off the windows, anything else that we don't want to be painted, like that, mirrors, that will be painted, and yeah, then we'll do primer. All right, so I primed some of the car. Girlfriend did an amazing job masking all this up. I suck at it, but I know that she is fantastic at it. So doing a quick look around, and like I said, she's absolutely amazing at it. So of course it turned out perfect. So now that it's masked, finish priming the rest of this, and then we can move on to paint. It stinks in here. But now that it's primed, we're going to paint it tomorrow. God dang. It's pretty late, so I'm gonna call it a night. And supposed to do this a few hours ago, but on my way home from work, the Challenger got a flat. I fucking hate that car. causing me problems left and right. But anyways, yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do paint and yeah. All right, well, I didn't record a lot because after paint, did clear coat, and after clear coat sorry. After paint, started working on his body kit. It's a body kit by Duraflex. It's shit. I fucking hate that company. If you're getting a Duraflex kit, I would just, I don't know. This is the first time I've ever done a fiberglass body kit, and to be honest, I can't say that I'm too impressed. Duraflex is a cheap ass company, obviously, and it really showed in their craftsmanship. But let me show you what it looks like right now. I know we don't have a hood on though. Kit, you know, we have let's see here. So bumper, the rear bumper was the only thing that turned out good. The body lines matched up pretty well on the sides. Side skirts, heavy modifications had to be done. So when I get the car back for my brother, I'll have to do Bondo and tighten up body lines with these huge fucking gaps that this kit leaves. Or in the case of them not having proper instructions, we had to do a self-tapper in there, and this body line is way out now, so that's going to be fun to try and fix. Same with up there, as you can see, didn't line up right. But I mean, I'm sure the paint job turned out good. Clear coat turned out good. Right now, I know it probably doesn't look like it. It's super dusty. So tomorrow before we take it back to my brother, then we'll hose it off, clean it up, make it look nice. That way we're not giving him a dusty car. But yeah, this like I said, first body kit that I've done, and I don't think I did an awful job for it being the first one that I've done, but at the same time, Duraflex is probably not the first one that you should be doing because of it being so poorly done. Sure, if I started out with like Vice, I know they're probably like a step up from Duraflex, maybe. I don't know, never done with them. But yeah, this, overall, I'm happy with this. You know, 100% would not have been able to get this on if I didn't have my girlfriend to help me, because she's the only one that actually would be willing to learn and help me with this shit. So yeah, this was a huge team effort. Okay, just remember that, Anthony. A lot of people helped, so you're loved. So don't forget that. I hope you're happy with the car, and like I said, I will be able to fix this. Anything that's fucked up or anything like that, I'll be able to fix. So I'm sorry it looks like it does right now, but trust me, I will fix it, and we will get this car how you want it. So yeah, anyways, it's the end of the video. Hope this doesn't soil the Maruka Motors name with not being able to put on a fucking body kit, but we'll see. So alright, thank you guys for watching. This kind of is going to come out after Christmas, but Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And yeah, have a good day.
think it's coming.
Yep.
You're alive. I didn't even know that there was like those little
Events.
yeah, really Also, I didn't respond to your text. I don't know what color it is.
All right, so you saw my brother's reaction. You know, he obviously loved the car. So here's a little problem. When last time you saw me, we were getting done with everything. Everything was done, and we were good to go. But it won't start. It'll crank, it won't start. We already tried. I had the inertia switch unplugged, so I plugged that back in, jumped it, it started, ran for a few seconds, died, jumped it again, it ran for about a minute, and then eventually died. So, yeah, right now, we have no idea what to do. We have no idea why it's doing what it's doing. So, yeah, Christmas present kind of took a shitty turn, and yeah, I feel really bad, but it's cars, right? Cars are paying. So let's see what we can do.